How to take off crank on body bike, spin bikes, tools you would need, 8mm Allen key, pedal spanner. What you want to first do is point your crank down, apply your brake enough so the crank then doesn't move. Pedal spanner will insert into the slot of the pedal axle, just like that, and pulling back will undo it. You can then take it off with your fingers. Taking off the crank, what you want to do is have the Allen key horizontal, then you can use the weight of your body and your feet to then undo it. From there, loosened off, you can just do the rest if you can. Leaving the top bolt last, and keeping in mind that the crank is heavy. And that's it.